How to log into Pinterest. To log into Pinterest account, you need to make sure that you already have an account. And to begin with, you need to head over to your Play Store and install Pinterest on your device. After completely installing Pinterest, you want to click on the open button, and after which it's going to take you to this field where you could go ahead and continue with your Google account or enter in with your email address. So basically, this has to be the way that you've created your account. So if you've created your account, continuing it with Google, you click on it and select the Google account that you've used while creating your account, and just go ahead and select that, and you'll be logged into your account. Since in my case I've used email, so here what I need is simply gonna go ahead and type in the password associated with the account, and you just need to go ahead and click on agree and share, and this way you'll be able to log into your LinkedIn account. This way you'll be able to log into your Pinterest. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.